Welcome to Origami, Harri, Hadi. Today, we're going to make a simple and adorable origami cat head. All you need is a square piece of paper. Let's get started. First, fold the paper in half diagonally to form a triangle. Make sure the edges are aligned neatly, then crease it well. Next, take the left and right corners and fold them up toward the top point. This will form a square shape. Now, take the top flaps and fold them outward slightly. These will become the cat's ears. Fold the top point downward just a little to shade the upper part of the head. Turn your attention to the bottom point and fold it upward to form the chin. Make a small fold at the tip of the chin to create the nose. And there you have it, your very own origami cat head. You can draw eyes, whiskers, and give it personality. Thanks for watching Origami, Harri. See you in the next video.